Good day, everyone. Group A will be presenting an analysis of the Gumburza affair and its connection to the 1872 Cavite Mutiny. We will explore the historical context, the key figures involved, and the lasting impact of these events on Philippine history. Our presentation will delve into the complexities surrounding the mutiny, examining the various perspectives and interpretations surrounding these pivotal moments.
The Gumbursa and the Cavite Mutiny. The three Filipino friars, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, were put to death in Manila on February 17, 1872. By the Spanish colonial authority are known as the Gumburza. They are revered as martyrs and representations of defiance against persecution by the Spanish, a pivotal moment in the Philippine history. Their execution served as a catalyst for the emergence of the Filipino nationalism movement. On January 22, 1872, Filipino workers and soldiers stationed at the Cavite Arsenal, which is close to the Manila, attempted a failed rebellion known as the Cavite Mutiny, a new policy that forced Filipino soldiers to be moved from their posts and replaced with Spanish soldiers, along with the imposition of higher taxes, were some of the issues that sparked the revolt. The Filipino laborers and troops in Cavite were upset and resentful of these actions.
Gombursa refers to the collective name of three Filipino priests, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, who were executed by Garrote on February 17, 1872 by Spanish colonial authorities. They were accused of sedition in connection with the 1872 Cavite Mutiny, a labor uprising at the Cavite Arsenal.
Visual of the Cavite Arsenal and Filipino worker at the docks. The Cavite Unity began on January 20, 1872, when around 200 Filipino workers and soldiers at the Cavite Arsenal rose in protest. They were angered by Spanish colonial government's decision to revoke privileges such as tax exemption and exemption from forced labor which they had enjoyed for a year. The immunity was small in scale, but its repercussion would be monumental.
The transition to Spanish authorities meeting image documents in courtrooms. The Spanish government, alarmed by the mutiny, portrayed it as a large-scale conspiracy to overthrow colonial rule. To suppress rising Filipino dissent, they accused three secular friars, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, of inciting the rebellion.
Black and white sketch of Gomburza being tried in court. Despite a lack of evidence, Father Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora were found guilty of treason. Their trial was heavily based, and their punishment was meant to send a chilling message to those who dared challenge Spanish authority.
Visuals of Bagumbayan, modern-day Luneta Park, with an image of the Garon execution device. On February 17, 1872, the three friars were executed by Garon in Bagumbayan. Their deaths shocked the Filipino people and sparked outrage, known as Gomburza. They become martyrs for justice and symbols of the struggle against oppression.
The Cavite Mutiny and the martyrdom of Gomburza remind us of the sacrifice made in the name of freedom. Their story serves as a lasting legacy of courage, justice, and the unyielding spirit of the Filipino people.
Although the mutiny was resistant, the Spanish used it as a reason to arrest and kill the three priests. Their death sparked anger and helped inspire the fight for the Philippine independence, leading to the rise of groups like the Katipunan.
The execution of Gomburza had a huge impact on Filipino society. Their death stirred deep anger among Filipinos, especially among intellectuals, students, and reformists. The injustice killing of the priests became a rallying point for those who wanted to end Spanish rule colonial. The Filipinos saw Gomburza as the symbol of the fight for justice and freedom. The priest sacrifice contributed to the growing nationalist movement and the desire for independence from Spain.
The Cavite Mutiny of 1872 was a small uprising by Filipino workers and soldiers angry about losing their privileges. However, the Spanish government exaggerated the event to scare Filipinos who want to reforms. They blamed three priests, and the name is Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora, the Gomburza, for leading the mutiny. Even though there was no evidence, the priests were executed to stop the growing calls for change instead of silencing Filipinos. Their death inspired the fight for freedom and became a symbol of the struggles for independence.
Cavite Mutiny, 1872. The Cavite Mutiny was a short-lived uprising by Filipino workers and soldiers at the Cavite Arsenal on January 20, 1872. Some of the causes are economic grievances. The Spanish colonial government had recently imposed new taxes and required workers to render forced labor, causing discontent.
The Gomburza and the Cavite Mutiny are significant events in the Philippine history that mark the beginning of a stronger nationalist movement against Spanish colonial rule. Here's an explanation. Gomburza, the term Gomburza is a portmanteau of the surnames of three Filipino priests, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora. These priests were leaders in advocating for reforms within the Catholic Church, specifically for the equal treatment in Filipino clergy, or the secular priest, compared to Spanish friars. Advocacy. Gomburza sought to end the discrimination faced by Filipino priests and wanted Filipino clergy to have control over parish in the Philippines, which were largely dominated by Spanish friars. Legacy. They were seen as symbols of resistance to Spanish abuses, and their martyrdom inspired future reformists and revolutionaries.